Hi everyone! Welcome to Quarantine Cooking with Miss Lisa here at the Fayette County Public Library. Today we are going to make animal toast. Now I know some of you are thinking about sending your kids back to school, and I know that oftentimes it's hard to get students to eat a healthy breakfast. Well, with today's little trick, you might really be able to get them to eat. All you need is to have some toast, so you need some bread. You need some toast spread, whether you use peanut butter or Nutella or a cream cheese spread of your choice. Then if you have some fruit and nuts, pretzels are healthy. I also have a few chocolate chips for those that might like something sweet, and some raisins and nuts, bananas, strawberries, grapes, blueberries, whatever kind of fruit your child might like. Just lay this out and let's start making some little animals with our toast. All right, so I need to go ahead and put the toast down so that that's ready in just a minute. We're gonna make 6 different really cute animal faces today. So we're gonna start off with our first animal. Now I know a lot of you love to have a little snuggly kitty cat at home, a fur baby as some of you call that. So let's make a little cat. To make a cat, we're going to use our cream cheese spread. We're just going to spread that on your toast. That's going to be the base of our kitty cat. We're going to make a little white cat. Then we're going to take some blueberries and stick that down in the cream cheese to make the eyes and the mouth. The pretzel sticks will make the whiskers. And then we need some strawberries for the ears. So take a strawberry, lay it up here. You make sure you cut your strawberries in little slices, not having a whole one. So what do you think? There is our little kitty cat. Wouldn't your child love to eat that? All right, now one of my favorite animals are owls. So let's make an owl next. Again, we're going to use our cream cheese spread and cover your toast with the cream cheese. Okay, and you can always change. If you wanted to make a brown owl, you could use the peanut butter or the Nutella. To make his eyes, you're going to take some bananas that have been cut into these little circles. For his nose, I'm going to use a nut. There's more of our toast. Okay, owls have big eyes, so we're going to put the blueberries right there on top of the bananas. And then we need to make his wings. So we're going to take all of our little strawberry pieces, lay them down in that cream cheese spread, and we're going to create some wings. Okay, depending on how much strawberries you like, you can add more or less. So here is our cute little owl. All right, so we have an owl and a kitty cat. Whoops, his little eye came off. All right, now my daughter, my oldest daughter, she loved monkeys. I think she would have loved to eat this next little treat. So we're gonna take our toast. This time we're gonna use Nutella. Monkeys tend to have a little bit of a darker brown fur. So we're going to cover your toast with Nutella. Love Nutella. And again, we need our blueberries for the eyes. Now, for his ears, you need the banana circles cut in half. So we're going to cut that banana circle in half and put one on either side of the face there. And his mouth is another banana circle cut in half. And you're going to use both pieces to make a little monkey mouth. What do you think? That's our little monkey. All right. 3 animals down, a couple more to go. All right, now my middle daughter, she loved bunny rabbits. So this bunny rabbit will be totally delicious. We're going to make a white bunny rabbit, so we're going to use our cream cheese spread. Now, I chose a honey nut spread, so there's a little bit of nuts in there too. All right, we need to have a strawberry nose, blueberry eyes. Now, if they don't like blueberries, I suppose you could always go with the chocolate chips. You just need something small and round. For the ears, you're going to use the half of bananas. We're going to stick them out on either side. Then we're going to take a small little piece of strawberry, stick it on the top of the banana. Now we need to make his little whiskers. So I've taken a banana and cut it into little tiny pieces. They're a little thick, but you get the idea. I'm going to lay those down like this to make his whiskers. And the final thing we need is the little part up under his nose. So we'll just go like that. And there we have sort of a semblance of a bunny rabbit. Might need to add a little Nutella on those ears to help keep those strawberries in place. All right. Take my toast out here and let's try a bear. Now the bear, we're going to use just regular peanut butter, and I like creamy. I'm not some creamy, I love the crunchy. So you have creamy peanut butter, that would work too. Just cover your toast with peanut butter. And this is a very simple little critter to make. Take those bananas, stick his ears up at the top. Then we're going to stick our banana in the middle. Going to put a little raisin right there inside, and I'm going to make his eyes really tasty. I'm going to make them into chocolate chips. What do you think? What child wouldn't love to eat that for breakfast? All right, now I saved my favorite for last, because my favorite is my puppy dog. I just love my little doggy at home. And so what student and what child wouldn't love to eat some toast that looks like a little puppy dog? For this puppy dog, we're going to need 2 different spreads. So we're going to put the cream cheese spread in the middle. Make sure we have plenty of it. And then on either side, we're going to spread the Nutella. I'm going to spread Nutella on that side, and then over here on the right as well. Then you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut, but not all the way up, because then his ear is going to flop out. All right, let's create his face. And again, these banana circles are just perfect for eyes. So we're going to put our eyes on there. I'm actually going to put little chocolate chips on top of the bananas. Then we are going to use half of a grape right in there. Now, here's the part that's the trickiest. For a puppy dog, we need a little bit of a smile underneath. So you need a little bit of your Nutella. This part is hard. So you're going to put a little line underneath there, and you're going to try to curve it up on either side to make him smile. That's not half bad. All right. Isn't this puppy dog just adorable? All right, folks. I hope I've given you some really incredible ideas on how to make breakfast tasty for your family. Create new animals. If you make one of these at home, please post it in the comments so that we can see it to get some other ideas. Well, what a great way to start off the day to send your child off to school. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this demonstration. Try it at home, please. All right, I'm Miss Lisa, and I'm here at the Fayette County Public Library. This has been Quarantine Cooking, and I'll see you again next Friday.